Hi everyone and welcome to another BearConsole video. Here what I'd like to show you is how to configure the Altimeter console application. So you can configure the console application as well as the altimeter, but we'll see the altimeter in a different video. So to configure the console, that's where you do it. You go to the menu, go to application settings. You get the first page, which says that your application language is the phone language. By default, it's that now. You cannot change it anymore. So if you want to change your language, you need to change your phone language. Then it allows you to actually configure the graphics, the graph color, the application unit, the back color, the font size, etc. It allows you also to modify the baud rate. Please don't do it because you may not be able to communicate with your altimeter anymore. Then you've got the ability to change the connection type. On some altimeters, you may want to use USB because that's the only thing they can do. So that means you will have to go using the cable. So by default, that will be Bluetooth, and that's what we use for most altimeters. You can actually, on some version of Android, change the graphical library. Then you could say I want multiple drag and main. So that is if you want several output to do the same thing, to deploy two charges for the main, for example. And then, if you use USB, you may want to be able to do full USB support. That means any action will be done with USB. If not, that will restrict it to some functionality only. Now on the next page, you've got all the talking telemetry config. So basically, talking telemetry, will speak during the flight, so that you can see what's going on, the altitude reach, etc. So you can say which event you want to be said. So you tick that box next to it like this, if you want it enabled. Then you can also choose the voice. So here we got all the English voices because the device is set to English for the language. And then you can actually test your voice to make sure that you're happy with
altimeters
it.
are the best.
So you got male or female voices available. If you want to discard it, just click in the middle. If you want to save your config, click on the floppy. If you want to restore it to the default one, click here. So we want to save it. And that's all for now. We've managed to configure the BearConsole application. Hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.